Hi guys, welcome back to Pink Alice Gaming World. As you guys see, I only have like 3,000 left. I'm gonna keep more for tomorrow. That's it. That's how many Robux I'm gonna spend. I'm gonna keep them for a long time. I might not spend any tomorrow. I'll like keep them for a long time. I'm just gonna keep that much. So we're gonna be playing a dummy again for today, and I'm gonna be. So bought. I bought some. Just the letters? Okay. This is us? Okay. Let's see. Okay, guys. Wow. Only glitch happens on my account. So, this always happens, but don't worry because, it'll just come back. Because no one's playing on my account. Why would someone even playing on my account? Someone figure that out. We're gonna get started with it, so here's our money. Here's our money we have right now. And then, remember I made another potion? I got like all the potions now. I got this, that, right big potion. And then later, I'm gonna do for another video, I'm gonna be hatching a lot of woodland eggs. I don't know what this is. Forget about it, okay? It's not a big deal. So here we got Bones with us. Yo, Bones. What's up, Bones? Okay, we're gonna fly. I'm gonna fly you. Let's go, Bones. The little, whatever your name is. Bones. What am I, like, my legendary? It's very rare. Look at our avatar. Okay, so our first, let's go down in Lavender. Okay, we can just teleport there. We can just teleport. Okay, come here. We need diamond or golden because last time I didn't get any legendary. So it's alright. Okay. I think not by the diamonds. Let's just go like randomly. Oh, guys, the biggest guys! Okay, 3, 2, 1, open. I just hit like on Gorilla. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do these last. Let's start off with our goldfish next. Let's go. Where's the closest place? So we're gonna go for goldfish next. Last time did I do honey? I think I did. I don't know why do I have britches. How would you say that? What is wrong with my English words today? I like music. No, not here. Huh. Okay, now this is the trick that I was gonna do with the Beatles. Like that. Is that a goldfish? Please toss it here already. Okay. Boing. I'm gonna pass it to you. Boing. Nothing. I'm gonna pick away. A pigwan. A pugwan. Why am I gonna pick bad luck again? If I do, you know how mad I'm gonna be? I'm gonna punch my computer. I just get the worst luck. How we got legendaries no one. Just I'm not trying to kill the bees, but I'm not going in the water, of course. Here we have a mud bowl. I'm definitely not gonna get it. Oh my god. Okay, if we don't get a legendary again, I'm just gonna buy another potion. We're just gonna try. I just need to lie. He's creepy. He's creepy. Start like that kind of go faster. The change sounds right away. Okay, let's do the trick again. You're so cute, Bastin. I wish I can have that pet. I don't know how to get it. I don't know what pet is it. Boing! Crazy Breakers, guys! I seriously had. Okay, we're gonna be trying again. Okay, wait. Which one's luckier? I like this. I'm gonna put honey. Honey's my favorite. I'm gonna go. Okay, we're gonna try again. We're gonna be trying again with all these potions. I think those are all potions. Did I get goldfish? I'm wondering if I did. I'm gonna check. Let's see. Okay, I bought goldfish. I think I got all of them. No, I think I'm missing one more. Yeah, there's all. Okay, we're gonna try again. We're gonna hope I get a gold one. Oh my god, never get legendaries. Okay, we're gonna go again. Okay, here we are. God, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, guys! Oh my god, why? Why, Tommy? Why do you need to betray me? You're just so rude to me. I'm not gonna be spending all this money on me. This is my last try. Okay, we're gonna go for honey. Or a sandwich. Why would I know that. Let's go to the coffee area. Wait, I'm just wondering. Does coffee come out of honey? Nah, forget about it. Let's go some honey. Got some money. Okay, we're gonna go to this my herd, but I'm sorry. Did I hit her? Okay, I'm glad I did it. Okay, God, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, that's my last luck. Patricia, whatever her name is. Patricia, oh my god. Patrici, whatever her name is, Patricia. Okay, I'm great. I'm not paying attention. Okay, you're thirsty? Okay, what about you eat out this egg? Yes, you ate it. Good job. Not ate it, drink it. I'm gonna go for a way. It's called It's virus. It's a virus. People. Come on. Seriously, big wings! I can't do this. I'm just gonna do one last one. Who's there? It's nice to meet you. I'm just gonna make diamond lavender, that's all. I'm gonna throw it right here. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Golden, diamond, golden, diamond. Salmon. I'm gonna keep dying. I'm not giving up. Oh my. I'm trying to throw it. Oh my god. Why, Adami? Why? Why would you betray me? Okay, we're gonna try these muffins again. I mean, they're almost gone. I'm just gonna buy, oh. Hey. And then we're gonna make some honey. And then we're gonna buy some lavender. That's all. Okay, we're just gonna buy this. Oh no, oh my god, I'm so mad. Okay, we gotta hurry up. I wanna rush now. I can't do this. I'm gonna rush. I can't do this. What if I don't get good, guys? Okay, guys, we're gonna be doing a part 2 of this. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and actually, maybe let's do a couple more minutes. Gotta hurry up though. Come on. Yeah, I think we won't have time. Okay, guys, I hope you like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye. Wait. Okay, bye.